variables. Let's get started. Programming, variables. Placeholders for information. Can store one piece of information. Can be called whatever you like, keep it relevant, no spaces in the name. Name starts with a lowercase letter. Can have two variables with the same name. Use the variable name whenever you want to output the information. Storing blue as fave color. Using the code we print the fave color variable will print blue because that's what we stored there. Variables are going to help us personalize our output messages. Think of variables like envelopes. The actual information gets stored in the envelope. The variable name goes on the front of the envelope. The information goes inside the envelope. What's different about this code? Dash variable name is not in speech marks. Concatenation, the plus lets us join text to the contents of the variable. Pay attention to the space after is and before. Programming, variables, predict and run. Add comments to the code to predict exactly what it will output. Run the code to see if you are correct. Programming, variables, modify. Add two more variables that can store the name stuff, and Izzy. Complete the print line to include 4 of the variables. Complete your programming, variables, make assignment.